Hi guys, it's Salster. Today we are going to take a look into another SaaS called Retarget Kit. How you can use Retarget Kit to create content curation pages such as this. These are really good example way of showing a collection of resources under single pages for a user. Here you can control every aspect of this. It also have social sharing configured so the potential user can share this page with their social media profiles and everything. You can control the title, description, colors of this background. You can add an image to the header. You can control the opacity for the header, and also this you can control the button text, whether do you want to have a fixed size or masonry style video and everything. You can see all these things. You can embed PDF document. You can embed image with link, description, title. You can embed YouTube video where the user can watch it from here. You can see they can watch the video itself from here with the link, or you can give several links here where it will automatically grab the description, title, meta title, description, and also a featured image if that link contains, or you can manually paste the featured image also possible. You can add these links by single individually one by one, or you can insert list of links and it will automatically populate this data. It also supports the functionality of pagination. We can set how many elements we want to show in one particular page, and according to that it will automatically do the pagination and everything. So this is the content curation. Before you move into anything, the first thing you need to do is you need to go here and go into the workspace settings, and there are a couple of things which you need to set it up. For example, this is pretty explanatory where I give a workspace. Let's say for example you have purchased a plan where you can create multiple workspace, then you can create multiple workspace, but you don't need to worry about it. You can also add a profile photo here. If you can purchase plans as a team members option, you can invite them here. These are the fields which we are interested. First of all, we can create multiple brands according to your limits and everything. And in order to add a brand, you need to come here, add a brand, give a thumbnail image, give a brand name, and give a brand URL. For example, you can see I have created several different brands which I am using. I can update these brands anytime I want. Custom domain is another separate tab where I will be showing you how you can use custom domains to be added into your platform. For example, you don't want to use RGKit and everything, then what you can do is you can come here, add a custom domain, and you can work from here. Adding the custom domain is also usually either you can use a root domain like this, or you can use a shortened link like this. You can give a here and make sure to you can give a root redirect URL. What that means is that, for example, let's say this is our custom domain. What page do we want the system to redirect? Let's say for example if they directly went to this particular URL, then what page should I want to redirect that particular page URL? Then we can specify. For example, you can see for that custom domain I have integrated with my custom personal website, so we can do that. For example, if I go inside, you can see this, and I can also specify a custom 404 redirect error URL and everything. They have shown you how you can add a custom domain or subdomain to the account from here, or they are very responsive. You can take my word on it. You can test it out for yourself. You just ask them and immediately they will come back and answer all the questions. They are really helpful in the support. Retargeting pixel is there where you can embed retargeting pixels for, like, this is especially useful for PPC or social media ads, where you can integrate this pixel in one of these advertising platforms. So when they click, our audience click on some link, it will automatically embed this cookie also into the ad, so we can later retarget them using different advertisements specifically for them. So that is possible. You can add all the possible. Currently it supports Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Quora, Pinterest, Google Analytics, Tag Manager, and you can also see they have provided guides for each one of them to see where we can find the ID and everything. All the details are shown here. Now the next the video is playing, sorry about it. Now let me show you how you can create a content curation page such as this using Retarget Kit. if I go into this, let me minimize this. This is our example which I'm planning to create. I'm going into this. Let me create a new campaign. I want to create a new campaign. Choose the brand. In this case, I'm going to use Alston Link as example, and in this case, clicking on the curated page, and I'm going to give video curated, video demo curated, something like that, and click on next. Here you can select the custom domain. I'm not going to do it, skip. And here we can include number of retarget pixels. I'm going to select 1, and I'm going to create a slug for the retarget kit. Let's say for example Alston video demo page. It can be anything which you want. I'm just going to create something to be easy for this. Here you control the title of the curated page. For example, video example of curated page, page, something like that. And you can include a description also. Here you can customize anything you want. Let's say for example, I'm just going to take this and paste it here, and you can see it automatically added that description and add a background. Let's say for example, instead of image, I want to use a background image. You can do that. I'm not going to do that now. Button text, you want to change the text which is appearing on this button, then you can do this. For example, read more instead of learn more. That is possible. You can either change this icon with another HTML icon, or you can simply delete that if you don't want. That is also possible. Instead of this masonry style, what I mean by masonry is it is not a fixed height. It will automatically change the element size depending on the element which it containing. So you can see there is no clear fixed size. So if you prefer something like that, you can choose masonry, or if you want to have the same size column height, then you choose the fixed size. You can choose whatever the decision is, up to you. Links per page, here you have the control to control how many elements you want in one page. For example, you want 6 elements, 12, 24, 48, something like that, to enable pagination. And you can order this elements either by order number, just adding the thing, or date on which it was added. And random is where automatically every time a person visits this curated web page, it will automatically randomize the element. Alphabetic is where automatically it will arrange it by the alphabetic order. We choose the order whether we want to be descending or ascending from here. So I'm just going to do a random in this case. And now let me show you how you can customize all the colors and everything behind this. First, we can add the background color opacity. We can change it for this. You can see it automatically change. We can control it. If in case we haven't chosen the image to be background, but instead we want a color, we can choose the color here. For example, something like this. I always prefer darker color variations. Description, if you want to change color, you can choose that, or you can even embed the hexa code here. You can see you can either give the RGB or the hexa code percentage and everything. All these things are available here. Title is similar concept. Choose the whatever the title color you want, and done. And once you have created a style and created a basic layout of this page, click on save. Now you have created the blueprint for your content curation page. Still it's not available. Okay, actually it's available. Let me open it up, so I'll show you how it ever look. This is the slug we used, and you can see automatically show. Since there is no elements inside this currently, it's showing nothing. Let me quickly add a couple of it so I can show you how it will work. Let me go into new retarget kit. I'm going to give her this one. I don't give her any things. I don't want animation, and let's say for example I want animation heartbeat, and if I want, as soon as I given the link, it should have grabbed all the information. You can see all the information has been grabbed. And in case if it didn't take any images, adding image is simple. Just go here and copy image address and make sure to paste it, and you can see automatically done. UTM you can add if you want. Just expand and add the parameters. Click on save. I have created one. Now I'm going to refresh this page to see how it will look like. You can see how nicely it automatically look. It should do the animation now because we added it. In case we don't want it, we can always go back and disable or update it by clicking on the pencil icon. Go here and do that. change it to different, or just click on the X marks. Now it won't be animated anymore. Let me refresh it. You can see it is static, it is not animating. Like that you can add whatever the element you want. Just for the sake of it, let me show you how you can add a PDF document. If I can show it without downloading, let me know. This is a dummy PDF document. Come here and go into new target kit and go into this video demo curated page. I'm on the right page. No animation, nothing is necessary, just creating it to show our PDF will be embedded. Let me refresh it, and you can see now it has embedded the PDF document, where if the user clicks on it, it will preview it in the new tab, or they can even see it from here itself. So that is possible. Now let me quickly show you how you can. Image is also similar. Just for fun, let me show you the video description, a video also how you can do it with the curated page. Come here, very simple. Oh sorry, new retargeting, not a new campaign. Very simple guys, just click on give a YouTube video. Just if you want these things, you can set it up. In case if you don't want, just keep it as it is. Now let me refresh it, and you can see now the video is descriptor. Since I selected random, every time I refresh, the order will be changed. You can see all these things. And if for this PDF there's no title, you can see, because we have not specified any title. So if I go here, edit, and inside that if I give this is my awesome PDF, and now the title will show. You can see this is the title is here. Let me refresh it, and you can see that the PDF is now showing you. So that is how the video content curation page works. I think I have shown everything. Let me show you the mobile responsivities also. For example, it is now automatic. Let us choose iPhone 6 or something like that. You can see it automatically responsively turned this curation platform page into something much more easy to view. Let me select a couple more things. Let me select the smallest one. You can see how it will look like. Let me select something like Galaxy 5, and you can see the responsive. Even if when I go into iPad or something like that, then it will be automatically responsive, similar to that.